Hello everyone, welcome to online computer classes. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for new notification. Let's start. Class 7th, let us start today's topic, Chapter 6, Cascading Style Sheets, Part 1. But before I start with CSS, I would like you to tell first the advantage of designer sheets that you use while making your projects, right? What is the advantage? The main advantage is just to make the page look attractive, right? Now, if the things we want to apply on our software or the web sheet, then we use CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheet. It describes how documents are presented on websites. I have enlisted some advantages of CSS. Have a look. It helps us to give better look to our HTML page. Look of multiple document can be controlled using single style sheet. This means single sheet, single coding will work for other document also. Using CSS, writing HTML tag attribute every time is not required. Every time you need not write the same code. That means one time you write the code, it will work for other HTML document. In this way, it saves our time and reduce the complexity of the code. Now, let us understand the syntax of CSS. What is syntax? Set of rules that will help to write the code in the CSS. See here, P is written color red, font size 14. P is what? Selector. The portion of the document you are selecting. Color is the property. Font size is the property. These are the properties you will change. Red, 14 pixel. These are what? Values. So this is the general basic code of writing CSS. And the code, the formula, the format is known as syntax. Let's see methods of applying CSS. HTML provides 3 different ways of applying CSS. External style sheet, internal style sheet and inline style sheet. One by one we will learn about different ways of applying CSS. External style sheet, from the word it is clear, externally we need 2 documents for this purpose, and external style sheet will enable us to design, to apply the CSS on the entire document. Internal and inline also we will learn through the code. Now let us understand in more deep about external style sheet. This is the used style sheet when we want to change the appearance of our whole website. It can be written using any text editor you want, but should not contain any HTML tag. While writing external CSS, while using external CSS, you should not use any HTML tag. And how to save the external style sheet? .css. Normal HTML file is saved using .html extension and external style sheet is saved using .css. Please keep this thing in your mind. A link tag is used on every web page to link it with the external style sheet. Which tag we use? Link tag. Here the syntax is there. You have to write the syntax of external CSS within the head tag. Am I clear? Here we are linking a document of CSS. Look here in the syntax, href equal to external style.css. This is our file name, right? So in this way we can link the two documents and apply the attractive designing effect to our web sheet. Now it's time to understand internal CSS. Internally, how can we apply designing to our web page? Look here everyone to this code. This is what HTML head. Now we have to write this word style tag. If we are applying internal style CSS, then we have to write style tag within the head tag. After that, body. Here body is the selector. Background, for giving the background color to our web sheet. Whole web page will be of yellow color. Right, heading we want blue, so H1 is heading, which is a selector, color is the property and blue is the value to that. P, paragraph, and then we have closed the style. After that we have closed the head. So my dear student, you must have understand by now कि within the head tag you have to specify the style you want to give. Now in body, whatever you want to write, you just write down. Heading we have given, paragraph, P tag we have used, we have closed the body and then HTML. I hope the code is clear. Now let's have a look on the output. Everyone see the output. Yellow color of the web page. Heading is in blue color and paragraph we have written is red. So things are clear till this. Please revise. You can practice also on your system. Thank you and take care.